Hello from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Mazda 2 here. Customer came in complaining about the rear wipers not working. I've just checked the motor on the rear wiper. It's quite an easy one to remove. This is the one that he supplied. What I did was on the rear, I unplugged the motor switch, plugged it in here. It still wasn't working. So what I then did was checked where the fuse location was. So it's right here on the passenger side, as you can see. And it's that fuse there. It's a 10 amp fuse. Now these are funny looking fuses. I don't have it in stock, but what I'm going to do, I'm just going to test something just to make sure. You're going to need a long nose plier or a fuse puller. As you can see, that's how they look like. I've got a fuse here which is a 5 amp. May work, may not, but I will put it on. I've got the other style here which is a 10 amp. I doubt it that would work, or maybe it will. Let's try it. Okay, so it's sticking out a little bit, as you can see. It's a 7.5 amps, so better than the 5. Let's check it now. Run the wipers. Here we go. Job done. Washers. Rear ones. Rear washer. Yeah, it's coming out. I think you got no water in there, so we'll get that checked anyway. So that's all it was on this particular model. But do get the right fuse. Here's a 10 amp fuse on there, so if you did want one, this is what it looks like. So they are weird looking fuses. Okay, so I'm going to take this one back off, give this one to him, show him where the fuse location is as well, so he'll put it on himself. That's all it is. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.